slightly different kind of video today. This is the beautiful Manze on Tower Bridge Road, an original preserved Victorian pie and mash shop. Let's go take a look inside. Now clearly this is not a pub, but similarly to a historic pub, this provides an opportunity for time travel to experience food and drink in an interior that is remarkably well preserved from the late Victorian period. Michele Manze moved from the Amalfi Coast to London in the 1870s and bought the shop in 1902, which had been established by his father-in-law a decade earlier. The building is Grade 2 listed, and Historic England cite the interior as dating to 1895. The walls are lined with an assortment of white, cream, brown, green and black tiles, occasionally relieved by vertical panels decorated with pink flowers. The mirrors form an integral part of the decor. There are wooden benches for seating, and the tables have marble tops. The flooring is terrazzo, a sort of mosaic tiling, which we also saw in a recent video at the Argyle Arms. The woodwork around the dumbwaiter may well be original, and at least some parts of the mechanism also look old. The menu is very straightforward, no messing about here, mostly permutations of pie and mash. They also offer eels, although I rarely see customers here eating them. This gives you a really unique opportunity to eat like a Victorian, not just in the same interior, but essentially the same menu and the same recipe has been used for over a century here at Manze. It might not be everyone's cup of tea, but I think the pie and mash here is delicious. It's the ultimate comfort food in my opinion. I really like the way the mash is served as a sort of dam around the side of the plate to keep the liquor on. Liquor would originally have been the cooking broth from the eels, but today it's essentially a parsley sauce. Other condiments on offer include salt, white pepper and chili vinegar. No beer served here, I'm afraid, but they do serve sarsaparilla, which is a drink that was popular in temperance bars in the Victorian era. Time for a quick look at the exterior. Historic England notes that the glazing is authentic. It's flanked by fluted Corinthian pilasters. So a bit of a different video there, but I hope that's been interesting. Wonderful slice of Victoriana at Manze on Tower Bridge Road. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.